In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections right away. Now tap on Bluetooth at the top on the left and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Following that, wait for all available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, mine were successfully paired. If you want to manage this connection, click on gear icon next to any paired device and manage all of those options, including UNPAIR at the bottom right corner. If you wish to do that, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!